Okay, we're back. Still no gutters. It's all landscaped. Sidewalks replaced. Got a nice little tree. I don't know what kind that is. Got the outside light fixture on. Okay, the first bedroom. Nothing's really been done. Ceiling fan. Nice bright light in the closet. The light on. Have the light fixture in the bathroom here. Still missing the toilet, and the tub is in. Check that out. All right, back into the hallway. Let's see, this is a storage room. Still have some touch-up work to do on the paint. Yeah. Okay. Let's check out the elevator. Whoa, there's stuff in here. Nothing's been assembled yet, but this is all parts for the elevator. So, let's see what we've got in the garage. Whoa, here is the elevator. Check that out. So that means the elevator should be in another week or two. Come around. Okay, and this is all part of the elevator. I don't know what that is. And so this is 4 stories. So there's a water pump to make sure that there's sufficient pressure on the top floor. So that's pretty neat. I think that might be a temporary stand. I'm not really sure. Garage door opener's in. Let's go up to the 2nd floor. Oh, one thing I need to mention is the floor down here. They've put this material down to level the floor, so must mean that the floors will be going in another week or so. Oh yeah, they've put down the subfloor. Check it out. Ceiling fans in here. That's the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. Lots of lights. And the powder room. And nothing in here yet. Oh, we got lights. Oh, I guess they're gonna maybe carry the wood floor in here. Don't know. Okay, all the granite's in. All the backsplash is done. Wall sockets are in. Got one missing. Double oven here, microwave. They've made some repairs here. They added these 2 wall sockets, and that looks like cable outlet. I have no idea what that's all about. And they've done some touch-up painting here. So let's go up to the 3rd floor. Okay, so the subfloor is down. Now the bedroom gets carpet. They got the tub in. Got a sink, tub, all the backsplash for the showers in. Toilet's in. And closet is racked. Still need to paint these or stain these racks here. Circle back around. A lot of light switches. Down the hallway. Tile is down in the laundry room. Well, still need to do some adjustment on the doors. And this is a little storage area. And they carried the floor into there. So that's cool. Okay. Let's go up to the 4th floor. Looks like somebody broke one of the light fixtures. Probably carrying something up. Very common. Oh, subfloor's down up here too. The mechanical room, nothing's really been done in there. I call it mechanical room, storage room. Another bedroom. Alarm system, I don't know, cable and all that goes in here. Another bathroom, tiled. Light, of course, a little closet there, linen closet. Got shelves here, and then you go into the game room. So, okay, well, we'll come back in a couple of weeks, and hopefully the elevator will be in and the floor will be down. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way you'll be notified of the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.